What is your life's purpose? It seems like a really big question, so let's soften it just a little bit and make it not so intimidating. Your purpose doesn't need to be something big or grand. It can be small. What does true north actually mean? Your true north is your inner wisdom that guides you on a path that is meant just for you. Your true north is just that. It's yours. There is no such thing as one size fits all for everyone. What someone's true north is could be something completely opposite from what your true north is. It is that whisper that comes to us, that gut feeling or intuition that really guides all of us on the path that we are meant to live. Your true north doesn't always come in a very clear or obvious voice. Sometimes it shows up in a very slight whisper. And often to hear it and to be in tune with it, we need to quiet and listen. Your true north doesn't necessarily have to be a big life-altering event or something grand. It can be something so simple, so delicate, so gentle, that only you get joy from it. Your true north doesn't need to be big or grand or exciting. It can be the subtlety of life for you. Release pressure, mostly on yourself. Let go of this notion, this idea that a true north or a success or the definition of what you've been taught success is, rather, has to be this big, impressive, dramatic situation. Let yourself off the hook. Your true north could be really simple. It could be filled with creativity, with compassion, with kindness. There is no one rule book, and each of us should live our life according to what makes us happy, not someone else, and definitely not a standard. If you don't have your purpose figured out just yet, it's okay. It's okay because you are exactly where you're meant to be right now in your life. Do you know how I know? Because you are, and you're right here. You're not behind. You're not late. You're not early. You are showing up today exactly as you're meant to. You'll get it figured out. Have a beautiful day, my friend.